Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with my fourth and final layout in my For the Love of Homemade Kit series that I'm doing with Hannah Lemieux, Christina Sorge, and so many other ladies. There's a lot of us. Krista, let's see, Rachel, Kristen, Christy. Gosh, there's a lot of K names and C names. That's kind of funny. Anyway, there's a lot of us. I will have the playlist in the description below so that you can find all of the videos we are all trying to post to the playlist so that you don't have to click through every single video. It'll automatically just play them all for you. So make sure you follow all of us and are getting all of the videos. Okay, so I am down to the very last little bits of this kit. I had one full sheet of 12 by 12 paper left, and I used up almost all of it with the rest of this pocket page. So I was really proud of myself. I only have a few scraps left. I will do a Kill a Kit share on the 1st of the month, and I will share my new kit that day as well for February. I haven't even started thinking about that, and it is in like a week, a little over a week. No, less than a week. It's like on Saturday. Holy cow. January is already gone. Can you believe that? Anyway, sorry, let's get back to the layout. I'm getting very distracted. So I had these photos of us going to a petting zoo with my in-laws. I think this was 2017. Yes, this was August of 2017, and I've been meaning to scrapbook these photos for a very long time, and I'm finally doing it, so I'm very happy. So the papers that I had left were very summery-ish papers, and so I decided to do these summer photos. Most of them are from the petting zoo, and then there's a couple others that are not. So I'm just using up some of the paper scraps, and I actually think that I use up all of the embellishments except for I think like 5 of them. I'm so excited to show you guys the kit share, or the Kill a Kit share. But my days are pretty booked this week. I might be able to get on and show you the Kill a Kit share actually on Tuesday. So I think I'm going to try to do that. And then my new kit share can be its own video. Okay, so now I'm moving on to this day where Brennan was very, very worried because we had a tornado warning. So if you didn't know, Idaho is known for very high winds, and we get tornado warnings all the time, but they're never high enough to be actually tornado weather, but they will warn us of a tornado if it's estimated to get that high, if that makes sense, but it never really happens. We get tornado warnings, but we never have tornadoes, I guess. That's more clear. But that day, Brennan was very, very worried because it was a really, really windy day, and he gets really worried about things like that. He's my very sensitive child, so I felt really bad. Okay, here I'm going to add a couple stars and a few embellishments. I did want to do some journaling about how we had a tornado warning, and that's why he's looking out the window, because this is at our front door, and he was standing at the front door watching the wind and just worrying, and so I wanted to put that down. And remember that that's what that face was. His worried, oh no, there's a tornado coming face. I'm laughing. It's really not that funny. I don't know why I was laughing. Sorry. I'm being very inconsiderate to my child. Okay, anyway, I'm so sorry about this voiceover. I've been doing voiceovers all day today, and I think I'm just getting tired of them. So I apologize. I hope that you still enjoy watching this process, even though I'm going a little psycho insane from doing voiceovers all day. So I am going to be doing a lot of journaling on this pocket page, which I'm super proud of myself for doing because that's one of my goals for this year. And every single page, like pocket page and layout that I make or have made so far this year, which is 16 as of me doing this voiceover. I've made 16 layouts in 24 days. That's like crazy, insane, a lot of layouts for me. But I've been doing all the journaling and I'm so proud. Okay, I'm using a lot of hearts and X's or plus signs, whatever you want to call them, as stickers and little cardstock sheets from Close to My Heart. And I'm also using a lot of these black stickers that have phrases on them. They weren't in my kit, but I had them sitting next to my desk, and so I decided to pull them in because I was like, these would be perfect. I love phrase stickers. If you don't know that about me, that is definitely something that I am like crazy about right now is phrase stickers. It's an easy way to embellish a card or even a layout. Okay, so I think I'm done for the most part. I'm just going to add my journaling to 3 of the cards. So the top card on the left with Tinian and his grandpa and the deer, and then the blank card at the very top middle, and then the card with Brennan. So you will see all of the journaling and everything in the photos. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out the playlist below. Have a great day. Bye!